We're installing Shaw Industries LVT Allegiance Plus or Patriot Plus. Start the installation next to the wall with groove side out. When installing a floating floor, Shaw recommends putting spacers between the wall and plank to maintain 1/4 of an inch expansion space. On the next row being installed, score the plank with your box cutter and snap the plank to get a clean cut. Start the second row next to the adjacent wall, engaging the long edge. To lock the long edge, use a tapping block and dead blow hammer. Once it is locked, place a spacer next to the wall at the short end to maintain expansion space. When installing the next plank, install the long edge first, being mindful of your expansion. Using the tapping block and dead blow hammer, engage the long edge in place to make sure the profile is tight. Once the long edge is engaged, use a scrap piece of the flooring as a bridge to align the two planks installed end to end. Once these are aligned, go to the opposite short end with the tapping block and dead blow hammer to lock the short end of the installed plank. Notice the end joint stagger. Would like to maintain a 6-inch stagger at the minimum. And you can use the tapping block or the scrap piece of the flooring to protect the locking system when engaging the long edge. When installing the next plank, slide the long edge into place first. Using the tapping block, lock the edge into place. The next step is using the bridge to align the two planks. and going to the opposite end of the installed plank to lock the end joint. Check the end joint to make sure it is smooth.